Welcome to Bill Builds, and in this episode we're going to go over how to keep your shop organized and a few tips and tricks to keep your workflow efficient. So this here is my short and panel stock storage system. There really is no storage system for the panels except for the fact that they just lean up against this corner here. But one of the things I wanted to show you was this container for all the vertical short stock. Some of this is overflowing currently. I need to make it a little bit bigger, but it's perfect for storing really short, maybe thin pieces of wood off the floor, and I found that it's much easier to store vertically than it is to store horizontally. You save way more space this way, and you can store even short pieces like this, preventing it from getting lost, or if you need to use it for another project. But storing it vertically is the way to go, and making little containers even better, so it allows you to store everything in a set spot and keeps it nice and organized for your next project. So this here is my long stock storage system, and this is best kept horizontally, in my opinion. But one of the things a lot of people forget, especially in a small shop, is vertical storage space. And what I mean by vertical storage space is hanging things on the wall and putting things on the wall. It really saves a lot of space on your floor and allows you to put more tools in a more confined area and more organized. So what I have here is two posts that are supported by these angles, and I just run the horizontal pieces this way, saving a ton of storage space on the floor, especially in this one-car garage. It's small, but allowing me to put it up on the wall like this saves me a ton of space, actually a ton of time when trying to find pieces.
So this here is the shop cart I built in the earlier video. I'll have that link down below. And the cool thing about this is it allows me to work way more efficiently, because I'm able to put tools on here that I'm not currently using but will need soon. It allows me to put the plans on here. This allows me to keep my workbench clean, as well as take notes on some of the current projects I'm working on. It currently stores my electronic equipment. It also has dowels that are used to hold wires and that kind of thing, but really you can modify this however you want. The plans are available in that video description, so I'll link that. But what's really cool about it is that it's on wheels and allows me to move it around my shop and allow me to move my tools with me and just work way more quickly and more efficiently and get things done much quicker. It's just overall one of the best things I've added to the shop, and I highly recommend it. One other way to keep your workflow really efficient is to attach things to your workbench that you'll find useful while you're working. So for me, I've attached short clamps here by the table saw. I've attached this really long clamp here to do panel glue ups. I've attached the bench cookies here so that when I'm sanding, I can just pull them out, put them here, and put them back if I need to. I've attached the vise to the workbench. Sometimes that is very useful, actually. And if you come around here, you'll see I have another clamp here. I have a garbage down there, a clamp here, as well as this is part of the dust collection system. Probably not something you've done, but this has a hose, and you just sweep into this, and it sucks it up. But one of the things I've done that really has improved it was these clamps, and just attaching them here alone saves me I know it's close. The clamp storage is right here, but it's just easier to have them right on the bench when you need them. And this is one of the best things I've done, next to the cart. This is an example of something I have attached to my workbench, and this really increases the efficiency and the speed I can use my table saw. I have attached the push stick here and this push stick here to the side of my workbench, so when I'm using the table saw I can quickly grab them if I need them, and they're right there and ready to go. To also better stay organized, I've added this tube with the screwdrivers in it. It allows me to keep all different types of screwdrivers in here. This is a really cool trick, actually. I don't know where I learned this. I either made it up or whatever, but I've attached a PVC pipe, drilled a bunch of holes in, and just put the screwdrivers in here, and this has been incredibly useful. So one thing I'll say, and I'll say it again, is attach things to the wall if you can. Make shelves everywhere you can, because stuff in the vertical space is the way to go, especially in a small shop where you need room for tools or plumbing or whatever it is. In my case, it's the plumbing for the dust collection, but I have here
a wall-mounted battery charging station. I have my hammers and stuff over here on the wall. I even have the towels and the water sprayer. I just put stuff on your walls. It's the #1 tip I'll give because it really saves a ton of space, and you'll see once you start doing that, it'll clear up the horizontal space you need, which in woodworking is a lot. One of the things I would recommend having in your shop or any shop is a whiteboard, and this is rather small. I don't have room for a large one, but one of the things I really use this for is just detailing quickly out builds I'm doing, or really any design. Just quickly jot it out, or even notes to remind me of what I need to do that day. Currently it's blank, but I haven't done anything recently. But it is great for jotting down ideas, and I really recommend putting this in any shop, mainly for the organization aspect, and it just helps you keep organized. I mean, that's all I could say really about it. It's just great for jotting down ideas, and I love whiteboards.
So you may have seen this in some of my videos, but this here is my drill bit storage system. It's just made from spare 2x4 parts. I drilled a bunch of holes, and I just stuck the drill bits in by size. And the tip here is, well, yes, this storage system, but keep the tools that you need. Keep all the parts together by that tool. So here is the drill press. I keep all the drill bits here. I used to store them in this drawer here, all jumbled up everywhere, but keeping them organized by the tool will really increase the efficiency and the speed in your shop. I highly recommend this. I know it seems intuitive, but a lot of people don't do this. You want to keep the tools together and its parts together, and I think that's just logic right there.
So that's it for my tips and tricks and how to keep your shop organized. Let me know if you like this video or you like this style of video. I know it was quick. I appreciate you watching it. If you have any other ideas for how to keep your small shop organized, let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment that you liked it, and be sure to subscribe for more Bill Builds videos, and thank you for watching. This has been Bill Builds.